Welcome back to FABReviews. Okay, so the new update has been downloaded. These are the features that have been included. Part of media, erasing passerbys, remove reflections, open eyes, moving photo collage, office, AI writing thing, AI notes to enhance with autocorrection, system, recorder, lock screen widgets, and some new share capabilities that now works with the iPhone. I can't test that because I don't have an iPhone. So let's run through the update. Installation is going to complete now. Once the installation completes, then we're going to look through most common features that are beneficial to most people. And we'll see if we can use those features for our benefit. And how do they look like, how refined they are, and probably what sort of precedent it's kind of setting towards the Magic OS 10. And I was a bit gutted that they would probably introduce the yo-yo system, but it seems so they're only going to introduce that in the Magic OS 10. Anyhow, let's go through this update. Let the installation complete, and we'll go through the features and the pop-ups that comes up. Alright guys, I've done the update, and as soon as the phone started, it actually gave me this unique feature, which is called AI Deepfake Detection. I think they said that they're going to launch this one soon, and let's see. Turn this on. Let's go finish. Alright guys, just to add to the deepfake detection thing, how to activate it. So you need to go into the settings, type in AI Deepfake Detection, and actually the menu comes up. And this is how it works. So what it does, it basically, when a video call is running, and you answer the video call, suddenly you'll get the pop-up come up on the Magic Capsule. And then when you tap on it, it kind of like scans the person's face and then shows whether the person is using some sort of filter or not. And I would love to use this thing on my wife, you know, because I'll know when it's a filter or not. It'll help you filter up whether the person you're speaking to is genuine or not. And allows you to see that, yes, this person is using a filter that is actually kind of like changing the face and is trying to act like he's somebody else. So yeah, you can switch it on and off by going into the settings. It's under the AI deep detection thing. So what I just did, AI deep detection, here we go, right there. And that pops up there. You can turn it on and off from here. And then the capsule then comes up every time there's a video call. This is me using an app and actually see that the pop-up comes up whenever the app is logged in or you're about to make a call. Alright, erase passerbys by features is now available. Something special. I think it's going to select all passerbys at the back. Remove reflections. I don't know how I'm going to use this one, but let's see. Then eyes open can now be used for image editing. That's cool. I think the eye is going to look weird. Moving photo collage. Oh, nice. So, because the cameras have the feature of moving photos, we could actually possibly use that feature. AI writing is now available. Try out and go into settings and everything. So, let's see how good Honor's AI is. If we need to enhance some notes with AI. And Recorder now features voice to text conversion and AI minutes. So, that's really good. So, the voice recorder feature, the voice recorder app, allows you to convert whatever you're speaking into text. That's handy. Cool. Lock screen. The widget at the bottom of the lock screen allows for custom settings. Try it out by going to settings, home, lock screen style, custom, tap the icon below. Well, that's good. So meaning we can put new stuff in it. And it supports file transfers with iPhone. Download Honor Connect from the Apple Store to connect them. Oh, that's really good. I've used Honor Share, and Honor Share is, trust me guys, it's very fast. And this is the June patch inclusive in it. Let's see how we do the lock screen part. So you're going to... Alright guys, so under the lock screen style, so this is how it works. So you go into your menu, and when you scroll right and go next, some extra permissions needs to be agreed. Allow. Okay. Okay, so we got new lock screen styles. I think I had these before. Not much has changed. We said you could change these buttons. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can change the buttons that you like. So you want a recorder, scanner, device controls, torch, or calculator. Camera I could change, and I could change it to maybe a recorder. Yeah, that would work well. I think that's done. Done. So I just tried to access that through the main screen, and it works perfectly fine. So you just tap on it and drag up, and the screen unlocks. So that's our recorder. You can agree. Here we go. It's giving me an option to agree. I don't think it will work whilst I'm recording. It might work. Yeah. So I don't think I can show a demo of this one, but maybe I could play another file that I recorded and then convert that into text. I'll probably show you guys that one. Alright guys, so as you can see, that little AI icon now appears when you record using the AI feature. So when you tap on it. Hi, thanks for listening to FABReviews. And this is a short demo of how the new recorder app works on the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, it works wonderful. Comes in handy to make notes and everything. So you can do translate. So we can translate that Spaniel. Obviously that doesn't change the voice, but having such a feature available does come in handy. Transcribe would mean that if there's an audio file and I want it to be converted into text, so that's something you can do as well. Super feature. Nice. Let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so let's test out how this AI bit works, where the text is. So let's say if I want to write something. So it's a sunny day. This is FABReviews and making another demo video with the latest updates. Remember to subscribe and follow for more. Let's see how the AI writing tool can actually improve it. There, the little icon, tap on it. Compose or rewrite. Rewrite. Oh well, that's failed. Let's try again. That worked. The tool is a bit of a hit and miss, to be honest. So if I go back, let's try again. Remember to like and subscribe to Fab. I'm making mistakes on purpose. Blah blah. Let's see how that works. Selected, there, rewrite. Cool, made sense. Change style, humorous tone, shower, FABReview with likes. Oh, that's cool. You see the little flickering happening, and you see in the background that you can see that this is an AI bit. And I think you can swap through the styles written. You can copy the content, rewrite, share, like, describe, and I can share the text from here. Click on replace, it will actually replace the text, whatever has been written there. And what else? So if I select all of this, say this, and say compose, I think that would turn it into an email. That's weird. Yeah, clearly an API is running in the background trying to actually write these things. What's the third one? Proofread. Let's see what's proofread. That would probably work when there's a large text, a large paragraph. The flickering is, by the way, part of it. It's nothing to do with this recording. I think this is a tool in the works, and I think they're trying to refine it when it comes to Magic OS 10. Yeah, let's move on to the next one now. Welcome back, guys. So the next one we're going to check is the eye removal. This one's a bit of a pain. I mean, it's quite difficult to actually do it. So I just found this for online. So let's see, just for tutorial purposes. So let's see if we do try to do a face tune and then go into eye open. See, that's the error message I keep getting. So it seems that you need to have like a selfie from your phone and then it works. How it works is it kind of like gives you a demo. So when I go into Facetune, right there, up there, so it just shows you like when you have a group photo, it kind of like identifies which friend has actually got their eyes closed, and then it will actually open their eyes for you. Now I've tried it; it's a bit of a hit and miss and everything, and I think it's a bit gimmicky. Needs a bit more refinement. So hopefully it's going to get better. Next one is something that I've been attempting again. It works with particular things. So I thought, like, let me just take a photo of the tree, and it's called reflection remover. So you go into AI eraser, and then right over here you see reflection remover. So when I click on it, it doesn't work. I don't want it removed, so it doesn't work. It could be that the image is AI generated, and that's the reason. Then I found another image, and I went here. So let's say this is a lady taking a photo. And she's taking a photo of herself through the reflection, probably showing how the window tint works or something like that online. So this one does work, but with a different concept. So what it does is, like, let's go into AI Eraser, remove reflection. It will remove the blinds, as you can see. So it dims the blind. So here you can see, so the indoor stuff is gone, and all you see is a reflection. Next one. I got another image which I also tried. Now look at this one. So you can see the offices inside, and then you can see the clouds and the moon and the sun, sorry. So all of that is there. But now let's say if we do eraser, remove reflection, sorry, this makes it neat, actually. Yeah, there we go. So if you have a photo like that and you wanna get like very aesthetic over it, and there's some reflections coming over it, then yeah, this is a cool trick. You know, Photoshop or Adobe recently launched something like that, but all Honor phones have it for free, no extra charges. So why not, mate? Yeah. So yeah, that's all for the updates, and I will see you guys on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe.